niseme nini. Thaa ijiri na ndaika 15. Mbona unaniangalia kama
Dr. O?
Ndio hii huko.
Dr. Iana. Iana ama Ipiana?
Be silent.
Tuko
kwa TV, Martin, please.
Oh, okay.
Behave. Iana, Ipiana, depends ulisomea wapi.
Hiyo mambo ya silent ya knife kinife. Wanawekaga ya nini? Mweji wodho madhomi.
Kwa nini wanaweka hapo alafu ikuwe silent?
Itolewe tu mara moja. Karibu sana kile mabako ya chacha mka hadi kwa Weru FM 96.4 tule iboko emwe kile TV ya Weru TV kile mubango ya kugukia. Karibu sana rukiro rwa retu ariri mantu kathomba ya rethiri to yaita na mbere, especially recently dene account ya Meru kuri itwarura itirwe ni koti ororia impeachment kana notice ya impeachment ya Governor Kawira Mwangaza na something kire antubara we are not very familiar na sheria ni utuchanganya kidogo. Nalipo ntutukwe ruari turi na Mheshimiwa ELIAS MUREGA, ni mutaalamu na mudhoju wa mantu ya siasa, utongeria na wathani. Na ni otu kwenda kwithirwa, na ni wakili by the way, ni otu kwenda ithirwa aitu taririria nkuruki what's really happening, ni bibi tukwelewa kiri wathani bo, I mean kiri tuariria koti, what are the orders, iji simanisha ata, iji ni judgment, ni orders, ni ruling, what exactly is it? I don't know tukwenda withdraw tariria tukwenda arua. Now of course nenda tuariria article 159 ya katiba ere kwariria mantu ya ADR judge ya rawira. I hope ni 159, right? 159. Well, bas mbere yau kangurikani ati leo wena chance ya withdraw ore millionaire kwena kurukia 20 new millionaires dene ndikuruwe Kenya courtesy of shinda mamili kama bingwa na Safaricom. Yani mashindano yetu tena mbere na buroba atire kwethia na atia nothing. Wewe endelea tu na life yako kama kawaida. Ora bundles kire star 544 hash kana star 444 hash kana star 555 hash na withdraw ukiora bundles chankurukia dringi 20 na uingie katika draw na withdraw okea millionaire omo yaro dene ya ndikuruwe Kenya kuruki no wita ndukiene kama kawaida vile unafanyanga mambo yako, ora sukari, sabuni, motu nini lipa na M-Pesa kana pochi la biashara na withdraw yuku makere draw ya uchinda milioni imwe na wachinda milioni imwe je ukiweka milioni yako kwa mfuko ukanenkero another 250,000 ukero atire kweka project kana maybe kai nturene nu maybe ni chukuru kwenda kurera loka kana kwenda wekira tiles, yani ukwenda kuimprove community in a way bako nenkira 250,000 extra urore milioni imwe ro chindete 250 je nye kwethio ntuburo kwenda nturene nenu. So itakiri M-Pesa ku kana utumire my M-Pesa app either kura data kana kurea kana M-Pesa app kana my Safaricom app na withdraw kinyawe wishinda mamili kama bingwa na Safaricom. Daijiri kirukita ndeke 19. Karibu kile mpango ya chanchamuka. Good morning.
Good morning. Karibu sana Mwesh. Na hapo watu kutumira wewe wakili nkobie kuingia. Amboke Meru.
Mwega sana. Martin county kethe Meru na arakunda tuthikirite na nare otonera na mutakie kagita gakega kala tukethra tukiara na iria nawe na arakuntheri.
Thank you. Kiuria kia mbere matwa kuria Mweshi mantu jara karikire goro judgment ruling imwere, yani what is it? No ntendo na nyapo itarirwa cost na igambari kendere tariki 20.
Yeah, in fact there is a just ruling on to judgment neo ititha were muthia in kiregamba. Go in between kugetawa so many rulings area maybe chigia gamba riu no gategera iragiti just orders but some ruling lakini ena element mochi za kire judgment Antonio erigana ya kuweza na cost kuringana nora judgment yakari kana ore gamba riu mbeta kwithro legiti no kuona keishiji ina so much confusion. Number one, orders kioni ki orendra chidoma nkerewa chieza ni chi as a result of amicus curious varia wakili and council kegonda representer no gategera inya iria bakorifa tu imaromba jara jari kirenjuri ncheke na kintu kira bomba kwereithia Meru kwina principles ira igaida inya gutonyithia gambe no amicus curious na kana afraid of the court which is still the corner chia the ad too inya tratu to the merit on the principles of judice ankauga inachel okay, the way afraid to court weza kuweza na expertise opinion especially rete as an parties ire main parties na main parties ya iba county assembly of Meru na Kawira Mwangaza imbi amikazi ya kureta what expertise ya kureta as a expertise njuri ncheke baraba it's more of customary issues kanawe tradition issues na culture imbio kureta new irete ombete kwethero kieza na wae these two parties eunio na nderement rote kaira thairia court ko admit afraid to court eza kuweza na mawaidha zara tetheria court maybe kugite gamba bwega na ndikikyo kioria fundamental question wamberia nayo kuchuria imbieu njuri ncheke correct on board on matters chege impeachment iretike number 2 ugategera kemaromba njuri ncheke jareba koromba kire application yao abariromba maromba za kwethirwa atire just to support maybe the main petition ikiura yatire no bae conservatory does tukenda inya batu twetekero na turetawa argument otena koromba inya ya gita ideal and inkorikana from where maybe basis judge koeda nai as jury ncheke netezite on that element waita kugitatia kudikira the parties so there are a lot to interesting in that ruling
well mheshimiwa tuna clip ya wakili Ernest Ernest who?
Kimaita.
Ernest Kimaita na Ernest Kimaita ariwa ati we ari wakili wa njuri ncheke enda kwithiro kuri na kubwithika ADR so prayers ira yayanirwe isia njuri ncheke irombara njuri ncheke but then koti yaritire ruling Thursday kuri ruling yo yaritire Thursday the mocho tuko eye yare ya kuire impeachment motion eye endelea okay nduri yatire when nire umba ko file kwethwa ore amicus kana muchore wa koti kire yamba because I'm getting confused somewhere at the ruling eye yaritire on Wednesday yare tariki 24 right during cheke ya file kwethwa ere amicus tariki 26 how
inakere assembly ugategera stamp receive it egoro I think yesterday was 29 yeah. So there is so much ngokwera interesting in this case na ambuge nyakere prayers untona unless otherwise tuachitegera dipa nturona beromba ithira bagita kiraba gu inform abakuga ground bati tukuromba orders chieza no ikenda tutonya ikwithro president na kugita na tutumite tugita ta kuga njoni tugite nonto ethira ne wa kuga na already there was something was being done they should be coming kuga ni tietwe kana to report which is not the role of amicus no kona nonto role yango kwira different. Number 2 ango choki kanyuma oninda ari physically are court na kirenya tugita submission both parties kirenya boraya. Number 1 get a judge ruling on the issue of conservatory orders turungike ikenda tuthikirwa igamba riri kinya to conclusion. Number 2, kauneretete kindu ita pure preliminary objection ikuregana manjau still was to determine that na inyo au before baretete mantu a jurisdiction court ku handle the case. Number 3 was an issue ya gwitikiria interested party ethira no bendere negamba interested party kwinandi kwiwoa baugite signature ciao. I think that one or that two they are forged, which was namo rated through Mheshimiwa chairman of budget Mweregi. Nande interested party nioto chiora wanande edrega atonya from part of the party kanari as a rejoiner. Enjoin na hii issues zira chiarigeterwe igitwe. Lakini ande no kona yezere surini ekiugae etinya very clear in a principle chore orders geta no ndogatega ere ande ki just like any other letter no kona. So there is something no gatega inya jana appreciate maybe in experience na kwethroe some 2 months in the area in the position ya court as a judge called they are much maybe interesting to inanimbeterete jurisprudence on the matters.
Mheshimiwa ntaurira umbere atiri ni ati judge akumaanisha judge Kosan akiwa that parties herein are directed to appear before jury cheke with their advocates before Wednesday the 31st day of July 2024.
Which
that
is
one
tomorrow.
and that to promote active ADR ruling is deferred to 20th August 2024. What does that mean?
Nandi ikiango kwera there are so much me orders chibateri kwera chi clear very specific kinya mtu yote either the party kana inya mtu ngino understand nonto sure is it the rule ni emantaza kege report njuri kana iruri ni the main petition issues cha impeachment no kona. So that means maromba jaraba aromba was about conservatory orders kana interim orders. The question is period you on the tomono eze those orders interim kuma from these will be more than 3 weeks ontoka tara na ire inge akwe kiumia it's almost 4 weeks. So already no getete bore na even there maybe there are some parties which will suffer from that.
So Mheshimiwa, I know so many people are ignorant of law kinyabaraba tuthikirite thai na including us na twenda kumenya atiri so ni bibio judge aranenkanire kirenjuri ncheke. Is it the impeachment or what?
And that is nandira nkora manyago like term of reference tuga chokete anyway manto ago chokia issues to ADL is not something new. Onimbere I'm a certified professional mediator na ndi mbitete kwa court annex mediator and most of the magistrate court ibachoka yemagamba jathikiro through mediation kana utugweta alternative dispute resolution which is in the article 159. At the same time inya maatha ire tukwariria tiga kwena mediation, arbitration, reconciliation na nandi traditional dispute resolution mechanism. To this case airo kwariria ADL is just a general nonto one to tell arbitration. In my understanding during cheke batena that capacity to arbitrate. Number 2,
especially in this matter, right?
In this matter generally yankuga tu at the general principle ugategera about also mediation. Mediation kuringana rules ira chirio mediation rules 2022 ira chi civil procedure act still it's guide how mediation should be done. Na ilazima getoi na court annex mediator na nyekethro private nonga through the consent oretaga the settlement agreement ko mediation ina a well structured way oregeteka. So unless during cheke kwina members the baraba kageta mediation wa court annex ikena nyamwira yomba ko adoptwa by the court.
Ko mheshimiwa sorry mbere ko no mwanka withiro wina kana we certified kenda umba kuthiro kithithia ADR
exactly especially ire iko deal nae na court na ndikwira una ndi na professional angle and that the question okori every mediation then andire these
NJURINCECA now recognized
on that matter. Then tukeza iren kuthugania na ndi ni you see traditional dispute mechanism as traditionally even a mechanism nyingi either no bagite conciliation mediation ka kwareria but now in a different way there maybe mediation as a process area adoptawa kuringana na sheria na professionally but now buga bena mechanism traditionally area mbuga njori ole itangoge which I don't understand if the judge maybe na komenya maana ndene oigawa antaiba konyoma anyway I'm not a member but na ndi kuringana na literature area kuona kwina process daira buikana yai kirinjori na kwibara beza be patedro te member maybe abagu akedro no ku represent ntaigo na are wakili ba ku represent inde injury number 2 kweto nyomba ntijethera or they call them na ugamba iroi in this case na kwina daira bware manwa bwaraga gwetikaneria kwina uikana yethera ikethiri kana rairo lingwa fine so those are mechanism traditionally ira bomba kugetatea now these are constitutional matters issues cha impeachment is a constitutional no gategera article 159 3 ne kwariria other things iria ituma igamba litega iko through traditional dispute resolution na issues chiko touch on the bill of right itetekirwo kwithirwo igitonya kirembio kiri TDS at the same time issues maybe chikache repugnant to justice and morality still itetekirwo kugitatia so what informed the judge wikekiri traditional disputes resolution mechanism itikwai clear if nara tegete all these factors number 2 report kethroa ekibrina what report maybe a president area kwa referred to was more about unity itatonya era more on issues tinya impeachment on constitutional matters na oria rozira chi pre assembly kana but now ezi NJURINCECA keza ekiuga evidence represented kuinga the governor ite material is not adequate kana ite committee all what will the same way governor akethirwa already right ira manyana kuga right chachi kwa infringe keza kwetha no impeachment endelea gekauga na ndi right chia what will they be reporting to
itumba kwariria mantu ya bill of rights
nonto ina ke right ire kwarirwaza right icheke within the bill of right no kuona na ina issues chia ina chayarin governor na kore so much fundamental right area kuigo che infringe kana violated so we NJURINCECA be able capacity kuona the right ichi kwa violated at the same assembly as a party ina kethero ekiuga they have their constitutional right at the same time ina ukaba force better not everybody is NJURINCECA member number 2 not everybody still believes in NJURINCECA na it is also the right within the bill of right kwethirwa ini kirangetekia about beliefs about religion about ioni na ndine ata oni ontonyithia and there are so much authorities iria precedented kuga utomba pate no irage kwethirwa na NJURINCECA itethirwa na further jurisdiction ku gutegera mantu zaria pati imwe kuga ntigwitikania nazo and there are so much rulings chumbite kugito before cha kuga ethirwa muntu atigwitikaniria batu twikania konjuri then NJURINCECA tena ene power kuendelea kuthikira igamba riu
actually mheshimiwa kuri yambarire ya ure ya mwaka 2012 because keremi what I know about courts ni ati nirifa kiri maamba ya tene kithura ni Kenya no irifa kiri maamba yarajeri kiri ndiguru actually kinya ndiguru ira kiri what do we call them ira colony ya England right you know irifa case ya South Africa you know no irifa case ya Zimbabwe that was a judgment that was rendered so kure yambarire ya ore ya 2012 Erastus Gitonga Mutuma versus MUCIACA 2012 held that participation in Judicial Council of Elders Traditional Dispute Resolution is entirely voluntary. Parties must consent to the council's jurisdiction. The council can't force a party to participate. Ati nende for example woni na Karimi twina dispute Karimi maybe na kwenda twita kire injury ncheke na woni nte kwenda no toiro itweta kire injury ncheke.
In fact, ambrin na the aspect a form of ADR mediation. You see, judge yes no abu ikikiri mediation iteni or not all matters irechomba gwita mediation are no as a directive no to nego encourage nego promote these other ADR also the party no chuge baturi bere odreria gambare atuite tuiganwe. Now, the moment boeta through the mediation abwagita settlement agreement, that means it is final. But teja koti kairibu gitatia au bugo kama antabu agreere na janji tumba kwa vatanie manjau unless kwena ground ire go puto so either mantu za fraud mantu za irregularity kwena zarego surround in case of those people agree on those circumstances then no revoke kana ekaregana settlement agreement lakini without that it is final. Number 2 kwegendo geta screening ge gutegera imagamba je kuzomba gweta maganto ze maybe defilement these sexual offenses itiki kokweta kwa agree through mediation na matazi mwe inyinge irachena gento especially public interest itiko kirembio kire these alternative dispute resolution na gento in this matter to kwareria issues to do with constitution infringement violation kana matazira cho surround au it is only the High Court which has the original jurisdiction na also supervisory jurisdiction according to Article 165. Kwa ubateomba guikia to any other subordinate court. Inyama batikiri inyama magistrate on matters chiege petition. In fact, chetae kire court. Na somehow is offering with finality. Like yo kona inya kire main petition ya akaira na raise on section that 3. Somehow inya declared unconstitutional. Bakiuga nekoleta kwena issues nyingi arizete governor tebateri kwengo those number of times when an argument yewe which nya yako raise within the and all the matters and the question is ni atoguikiria even inyai ambe ntekwenda humeta terms ranka yani kugetaborea ntuga ya mo phrase kana herea but itena ene rigo utena oe kwariru ikatiba substantive ethero ne oyomba go setro matters hizi no kuona. In fact, I was referring also to my good friend NCIC. There are non to nandi matane refer now you have to tena uga non to still judge protected go get some although they are still accountable non to inyanto bara antobakeni yoba etema na ina zarabe na judiciary powers irabe na choba ide mwananchi and it asima to review na indora ya maybe NCIC na non to leva ikire now then ne zebode inya commission jewe ba build capacity non to kona matazi mwindora ya nekite gwiko maybe intergovernmental relations non tinyane provide mechanism ya mediation lakini to me I still interested kona what informed the judge towards that
na you know mheshimiwa this judgment yeje kana ruling yeje ni defaulted ni so many people including senior councils ya Martha Karua, Amen Nasir, mawakili ya
Nelson Avi,
LSK
president,
Faith Odhiambo,
even GSC representative.
Yeah, bon they ba faulted on tubo, but then kuri on tubo kanana ntere aragwire awa judge atumba kwithro enando kurita ruling yeji, and somehow you know, as that too ignorant of the law, kinya batu no to churibo like utibo judge obo karande na rita ruling ye because he's not man.
Inyago korea re in a very ne aterurins chumba ko overtime. Tikuga ketha eroi man is no ogete tikuga nyethra we judge kana we akiri, you know everything. No kona. Now you see most of these are just sometimes opinion. Ugategera kere interview we kwenya mwe nyinge agiaga in the agiapia kere DSC rira bagitabure odikire na ko bring out also some judgment agetete which I had no president anu the case chiagete before arifaga na agetai but ina eze untona ene nyamwe ko refer to the president to thinga the High Court is free from any external interference in the matters ira bakugetai and then now embuga go create nyamwe njaro in that arena
we create the presidency jawe
kwera getogeta judicial activism where also judges sometimes make laws which is the ngogea parliament kugetai but also through authorities irrigated within there which they referred to when they are making their judgment. Still nandembuga it's another area nyani ngonga tugeta ko research more. Not to still oran ko area mediation as an area and then expertise. Ugategera traditional dispute resolution utenaoe yombeta kuweza noa framework ira yomba over guide. Not who is that ena nyamo authority kugeta traditional dispute ne kagito atia non mediation ina process no kuona ina cases ira chomba gweta nao ina in case okedro teta what happened ina parties nyano always na mawakili and their roles but na ndere traditional dispute resolution mechanism culture ya Gikuyu te ya Meru culture ya Njaruo na era teoi on what principle how they are guided utoko na matewe na still ni kwenda somehow regulations although informally the reason ideal ikwethro timantu zegie formalities za court but still are some elements chomba kwethro igitutetharia go to guide but anyway I think the county assembly nisafite prejudice on these rulings.
So what next mwesh? Mumeru maybe na uchuria barero that one irojo right? Between today and tomorrow do barero bete before the council na wakili ba so mtu no churia mumeru maybe araro churia toeta wo Mwerekera ijueko.
You see the assembly no yugere let's no to the Canadian like they had done before non to remember but we betere ruling and they just together na process until ruling wenge kana full hearing. The other alternative is nobody did that motion and they bring a fresh motion in as fast as today or tomorrow and I can't be here
what if abakama with a court of appeal
Nimkuga na no to appeal an assembly no appeal that ruling to the court of appeal at the same time no you know the Canary so there are options but nande you see
like nyawita injury check is an option right
nyawita uga kwathia gwetikiria kugeta atia all these are options na nyewe ngenda is still an option but the question is to me the governor has achieved a lot kuringana na ore endaga koti mwamwira and that is to buy time ikenda omba kwithro maybe politically omba comedy issues chiawe na some members na bakaruka ira na kangania members zikenda the other party yomba ku weekend their threshold. So still inya easy all these they are just buying time nontogategera my good friend kigonda ena right chia ku appear on either but nuize royalty awe inaeri the same barabaretete these other extra ikenda menya bonthe kuma interested party kuweza amicas so there was two ones one objective to get conservatory orders. And why are they interested in getting that? That was the main prayer of the petitioner. Ko chonde igo achieve kodire the whole thing.
The whole process.
And ayomba ko by politically inaomba ko either ko negotiate na kuomba kuona at least ba kwaraniria. Ko it's a strategy which maybe has worked for the governor.
Mheshimiwa Katuoleli manto ya na another angle. The judge's angle now. Atire, you know, Meru needed to through a lot. As much as ruling EAK faulted by so many intellectual minds, Meru needed to you know, needed to
on the radar.
You know, kangina ka
violence.
Yeah, violence. You know, needed to in so much turmoil politically. So maybe it's about time to embrace you know, dialogue yeje iraba maba kuwa MCAs na ADR yeje to dominate judge. It's about time maybe. Kudiria mato yayo on there. You know, it's about time to embrace
na ndenya nikamwikira magoro neza kuna ndrivo thuganya and twethugana yo I think neko make sense in as much as you see alternative dispute resolution ititagaira more the legality. In fact, the who wins or loses. The whole issue is a win-win situation. Non to yet to get a need and interest. To take other ira to are to carry mediation. Which mediation is simply when a third party or the other who is neutral. Adhikira both parties. Now where at your side with which in party yote kirea gutegera imbibia desire we candidate court no kona what is the interest, what is the needs no kona and kiwikio a mediator ethero akigeta atia beyond na demand zaza mbuga behind it izo ethero akigera ya ku understand na gatethia party to understand bomba bongwa kugetai. You see, in mediation, utegeta ti mediate ugetai direction kana uga ozo ne ukubaterio kara. Ari, kire thairo akiuga na ikyo mediate ati lazima ithroe wakiri. Mediator is anybody can be a mediator kuringana gwe na what standard ira chiseti. Koti lazima ithroe wakiri. Andi ikyo akuga parties re itweze twinde twi na witikio na twaranirie tutiotegera na these nitty-gritty cha sheria ikienda menya ugo imbie uyo tumai tulemo kwereanwa and to me it would be good inani ngona behind na tukiara area koti bera na imbie uyo tuma tukinithania nande dai toliga to set aside issues nande cha sheria na area na that the essence of alternative dispute resolution is that informally nande in our way ule tomba kwaraniria twinde tukethra twina win-win situation but tware mano ikatochoka koti and that the question itwetete patesi chetete kire was it control of budget what was that it was mediation nonto etere ale obathikira tijethre ibakiriere or not that a question ye ombochori ibetere kire njori ncheke through maybe the directive president report is yet to be maybe public and either iguchogoge president but otegera still there are no agreement, which is also form of mediation. Number 3, no kuigwenya jaja riuga either bwetikaniria kana bole gwetikaniria, you will just bukeja bombire koinya gweta tikuga bugetikaniria. To me, all these issues have been mediated before. Na kuchokia kiri the same mediation, then it is also somehow wastage of time, kana waste of even court time na manja zao. However, I don't know if they'll agree to number 1, inya mediator should be seen to be neutral. One, ura ina history no kuona inya diraba ikanete Senate. The governor was not comfortable with the Onchorincheke was doing. Na no kumenya to what trend yetire inya through other Nchorincheke ra inge ejire kugetate. Exactly. Look at that division. Of a sudden again, pate moende eriko. How will it be neutral? Even the members of the county assembly Vamwe, they are members of Nchorincheke. So how will you go to arbitrate narapate nyemwe neo endere engi? Don't you see some?
Let us assume mheshimiwa this katu assume ati ere neutral tukidria. Katu assume yomba kwithro ere neutral kana to assume ni an alien yeje itetherie. To assume Nchorincheke is an alien thing yeje kutetherie kudhiria nkuchaneji. Now, what happens to Section 33 na Article 181? Does it render it useless?
Nandene in short yekoa. Noto. Then ija kutunya one of the powers the assembly kana this oversight in both the Senate na inya county assembly. Nondricho over that power na laws you. Then ande in matters you question hii koro chionde then to achira tigane assume they never existed such provisions itwete kirembio Nchorincheke because that kugeta bora. But all in all, maybe the judge inyani maybe fair ukiara area buga ore amenyeretia out of experience in the lower court, maybe newonaga maybe it has been working buga kauga oita ibageria goye berengeta my ruling on the issue raised by the petitioner na this other party maybe bakethra bakugeta atia either nya numbers shifty kana nya bongo bana how to solve it, but this thing is deep rooted. I don't know the only way is the path the constitution either, because these are just allegations that the move area they have not been confirmed. It can through the process she put in place by law on by nyawe kochia through the oriagetete before. So nte kuona anything bad on that. Not to still injatha aira bagweta bakinithia bage exhaust all that because it's the most tool area the highest in the hierarchy oversight. Still batikuiza bagetatia abagwatanira. So it's something that interesting in the near future, how it will happen in the next 1 or 2 years. But altogether, the question to either area in Meru area on these issues, all issues. Owanani nabangi.
So finally. Kwe miario Judge Kosana riri au reni ro yambarira mbere ya kuhandle reri tobururu na ndio moyaro kiri manto ya geta mitandaone kuona na hata kuweta. Does it discredit his ruling?
Of course, daira to apiaga before kana kiri apiaga before a judge bena all the confidence and all what is needed kugeta but from that point of view no kuigwa na go feel not confident enough to handle certain matters. And that why nande going forward, so many will be neither to bagapia kiwe, they'll be asking those questions. In as much as I'm braining, would there be other factors influencing this decision nontu inyarira ndare au na
Including
oragwa
experience.
yeah, why don't you have oral submission tugerie ku summarize what is in the hour but ata agree to that augere niambite andikira tukoria all that time na still okageta sacha arudin. So these are questions going forward. So many nyawengo chipoti na an awkward position in terms of one, credibility and a competency away kirikwando matters to do with which is before him, especially High Court. So it's something that I need to either there be a mechanism, a build capacity towards the judges, judicial officers, then should be done.
Very well. But
otherwise, no, and the kind of publication can I also would be interested also to understand what informed such ruling. Ikenda inyaba hatutu ya ritoba basheria tukomba kuthoma out of that. But tatu kuga alternative dispute resolution is not one of the ways ira tuomba ku attain justice. In fact, it is the most encouraged and to agotinda ya manto kotine. But lazima chie guided to certain principles ke magamba jaraja kuita otherwise ndakora then to get mediation then it would be challenging.
Thank you so much mwesha tumbe kutha tukirikire umuthikiria ngwitekia kaume kautwaga kethoro ke gutethia joraga tutethia mutegerwa Weru TV katugushikiro tirero rungi mubango jo kugukia jugeta na mbere.